Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from China. This is a Chongqing style noodle from... yeah, it's in the title. I can't remember. So, what's happening? I went out walking, and I'm back, and... yeah. Didn't go out for as long as I wanted to, and honestly, it's really nice out today, so I wasn't even going to do any reviewing, but I figure I've got reviews ready, so I guess I ought do said reviewing. So I've got 3. This is the longest of the 3 at 5 minutes. The second one takes 3 minutes, and then the last one, literally, you rinse it with warm water, add some sauce to it, and stir it up. So I don't think that's going to take too incredibly long, and then I'm going to go down to the beach. I think it sounds reasonable to me. Yeah, my knee's been kind of bugging me, so I'm going to have that removed and replaced with a bionic knee. And my face feels attached to the front of my head, which is kind of the spot it should be at. So yeah, I don't have the light above me on. I just thought I'd do something different today. It's a feature. I could turn it on. I could just use my voice to do it. I don't. There you go. This stuff does not want to come out. I needed this sachet too. That's funny. Okay, that's a lot of goo in there. Alexa, turn on the kitchen. I think we need to have the lighting. See? Yeah, they're all on. Ooh, that's a good noise. And those are crunchy peas. So we put water up to this line that's on the outside, right? Yeah. So here comes the water to the line on the outside. I think I'm going to split my reviewing into 2 chunks today. Here we go. And a lid. For 5 minutes. So yeah, I think I'll do this one, and then after lunchtime I will do the other 2. Comes with a folding fork. Like so. Oh, come on. So, I play Pokemon Go. I know, you probably think, wow, you're an adult, dude. And I know, but I enjoy it. But anyways, I got this thing, and it's called a Pokemon Go Plus Plus. And what you do is it's a Bluetooth thing that connects to your phone, and when you're out doing stuff, it'll automatically catch Pokemon in the game. I know. I paid money for it. I know. But it's nice because I can walk around and I don't have to mess with my phone while I'm walking around. So I get more exercise when I'm out. That's the whole nicety of it. And I've gotten, like, yesterday I got a hundo out of it. That's one that has perfect stats. So I think I got another one the other day too. But you end up getting all the Stardust and all the, yeah. I'm sure some of you play Pokemon, right? Maybe Pikmin. I don't know. If you do, comment and put your friend codes and junk, and I will friend you if you'd like to be friended. I think some already have. I used to have my friend codes and stuff, and my wife's too, in the description. I don't know if I still do or not. I'll have to see that. But yeah, we got a battle event this weekend. I know it's very silly, but I enjoy it. It's fun. It's a diversion. I shouldn't be so down on myself for playing video games, considering there are dudes that spend like all their money on gaming rigs, and yeah, I just can't do that with the time that I have. Oh, this isn't a leaky cup, is it? That would really tick me off. I think this thing's leaking. Two minutes and 10 seconds, huh? 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Wow. Sitting on 4. Now it says 0. Yeah, I don't know if this has a leak in the bottom. If it does, I need to transfer this immediately to the not this. I could just throw this in the pot. I think that's what I'm going to do. It might have spilled a little bit, but I'd rather be safe about it. Ooh, and it's hot too. Holy crap. Alright, I'm going to have to stand and use both hands, as my mom used to say. Should be all hands. Use both hands. Like, okay. I'll do that. Wow, this actually smells really good too. But it's like not a double insulated cup, so the sides of this are freaking molten lava. Alright, getting a good grip on said cup. Ah, spillage. I don't care for spillage, folks. Especially with this Chinese oily stuff, it really makes a mess. Alright. Well, now at least you get to watch me cut up a cup. So this is gonna get scanned. That's why I really hate it when it gets any spillage or junk. The lid get? Yeah, the lid got. Now we'll actually though get to see if it. Let's see. There's the spillage, but I wonder if it just leaked or I just spilled a little bit while pouring it. I can't tell. Doesn't really matter. And I will cut that later. So, here we are, yet again, you and me. In a big freaking cauldron pot. Can you imagine? I did not think all that would come out of that cup. It looks good, and it definitely smells good. I'm just really kind of crossing my fingers here that it's not such an inundation of Szechuan pepper that I'm just violently put off. But the Chongqing style noodle is usually quite good. Usually. It's okay. There's our broth. Oily. Look at that. That's what I mean when I say oily. I don't know about those little peas. Yeah, kind of. A little crunchy. crunchy peas. I don't know. I was going to use this bowl, but it's definitely not going to be big enough. No. So I'm going to use this one. And this is a bowl that was given to me by the president of Chongqing, America back in 2012. When I visited them, he gave me like a bunch of bowls, and there was one plate, and I used that thing for so long that it got chipped and broke. But super kind. Thank you, sir. I don't know if he's still the president of Chongqing. I don't hear from them as much as I used to, and that bums me out because they're really great people. And you're like, but you always rag on Shin. It's like, no, okay. So here's my thought about Shin. It's good. I like Shin. The problem with Shin is people try it and then they're like, I don't want to try anything else ever again. I see that so often. And it's like, come on. That's a gateway. It shouldn't be the end of your adventure of the palate. That's my whole thought. And that's as far as we're going. Some Chinese sausage, some scallion, and some sesame seed. So there we go. Do your thing, Rotato. I might do another one right now. I don't know. All right, that's it for that. Yeah, not my favorite. Not bad, but next one we got is this Nissen. It's got the title. It's like a creamy tomato cheese thing. This came out of a Meowbox. Go to miauboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. It's like up to 10 different cups, bowls, packs, trays. It's a rad deal and it's good stuff, and you can get a discount with my code. So, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.